Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am currently still sick from, I guess, the flu. You know, it's been a month. It's been a month. I got sick when I went to visit my boyfriend in the beginning of the month. So like, literally like day 4, day 2, I was already sick, alright? It's day 24 and I'm still sick. Yeah, I have the flu. Anyways, okay. Pinterest. I am going to make a vision board today, and I could already tell by the title, but I already had this like big paper poster that I had made, and I'm going to reuse, because why not reuse it? This was just basically like what described me and like what I wanted in the future, sorta. Like, during the meantime, I wanted, oh, my sister's home, great. I wanted to make my own business. I love sleeping in. I like styling, organizing, maybe. I wanted to go to Brazil for the Olympics, but that didn't happen. I wanted to go to a baseball game, that didn't happen. I didn't really travel. This is just like representing my family. But yeah, we're gonna make this. And this time, everything's gonna have a meaning. And it's gonna be the best year of my 20s, maybe? We'll see. So I had a hard time holding this gimbal? I don't know what you call it, but the thing that holds the phone. I am going to make this dream board now, even though this paper is very wrinkled and stuff. I mean, I'm using this one, so anyways, I want to see where I'm gonna place these. Does that look okay? I think so. Let me glue this one and then I'll show you guys. And this is the final product. So this top one is Spain. This one's because I want to have more friends, make new friends, and hang out with them. Go to Coachella. I want Gucci slides, so something Gucci, something cute. I want to go to Arizona, to see the Grand Canyon. And this, I just want to spend the rest of my life laughing. Again, this is in Spain. I want to have long, luscious hair. I at least have 500 subscribers by this year. And a Nissan car. A Nissan? I want to stay determined. I want to go to Pink Sand Beach, and visit my boyfriend more often and be with him. I want to read more books this year. Keep my skincare routine. And I want to eat healthy. That's why I have these 2 fruits. I want to ride first class someday, and I want to have this amazing body by at least hopefully summer. If not, winter isn't so bad. And a car someday like this one. So yeah, I hope you liked my dream board and give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time.